Hi guys, welcome back to the Bakery Shack. Today we're going to be making a chocolate cake. I have some room temperature butter, sugar, flour, and some cocoa powder, eggs with vanilla essence and almond essence, milk, baking soda and baking powder, nutmeg, cinnamon, and a dash of ginger powder, and we'll be grating some lime zest and use some lime juice. So I'm going to put the sugar with the butter and I'm going to cream that until it is light and fluffy and you see it change color. It should turn from yellow to white. I'm using a hand mixer today. Scrape your bowl down now and again so you can get everything incorporated together. I have the oven preheating at 180 degrees. So preheat your oven as well. Beating the butter and sugar together for about 25 minutes. So you see you have this nice creamy mixture. The longer you beat it, the more air you will incorporate, the fluffier and lighter your cake will be. Who can reminiscent when we were small long time ago, we had over an hour as a small child, you're beating the butter and the sugar together and you're like, mommy, that ain't enough. She's like, no, beat more. I was like, mama, hand hurted me. No, go more. Oh my, I felt like that just now. But okay, we're going old school today. Now we're going to beat the eggs. You know, normally when you crack an egg, on both sides of the egg, you can see there's this white stringy thing. I believe that's where the chicken comes out from. Don't quote me on that. But anyway, those two white stringy things you see to both sides of the egg, I have removed that because that can give the cake a kind of runny taste. So I have removed that. I have added the essence, the vanilla and the almond. And now I'm going to beat this for about 5 minutes until it's nice and fluffy. And then I'm going to add it to the butter mixture. I have beaten the eggs about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to slowly incorporate them inside of the cream. I'm going to take a little bit of my milk and I'm going to pour it in. Swirl the bowl. Take all that goodness out. Now I'm going to grate some of the lemon zest. Make sure you wash your limes, guys. Do not grate the white lime of rind of the lime. Will make your cake taste bitter. You don't want a whole lot, just a little bit, because it's going to overpower the chocolate in the cake. So just grate a little bit. That's enough. Take So I've cut the lime and I'm going to squeeze some of the juice. You can use your hand to catch any seeds that may come out. I'm going to add the baking soda and the baking powder into the flour, as well as the cinnamon and the nutmeg, and a little pinch of ginger powder. I'm going to sift this in. Let me just stir it up a little bit. Little at a time. This you can just flatten. Now I'm not going to use the beater anymore. I'm going to do this by hand because I want to keep as much air as possible in the batter. With the beater you can overmix it. So I'm going to incorporate this. I'm going to add a pinch of salt. %, pure chocolate. I have melted this over a double boiler. Give the cake some richness. I have let it cool down. Get all of this goodness out, because what they say, waste not, want not. See that richness? Smells so delicious, and it hasn't even been in the oven yet. I have grease, and I have put some powdered sugar in instead of flour, so when the cake comes out it don't have that floury taste on the outside. The powdered sugar will give it a nice sweet little taste. So we're gonna pour this over. Who can remember when mommy was making cake when they were small? You're all standing around waiting to get the bowl, the beaters, and the spoon, and she's just scraping everything out, and you're going like, but you're not leaving anything for us. And she goes like, but I'm not supposed to leave nothing for you. It's supposed to go in the cake in the oven. Boy, were those the days. Swirl it a little bit. Tap it. so you can even out the batter. Now this is going to go in the preheated oven 100 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes, and after that I'm going to lower the temperature to 170 degrees and we will bake it for additional 30 to 40 minutes. You know your cake is finished when you take a skewer or a toothpick and you stick it in, or a knife, whatever, and it comes out clean just like this. Should be clean just like this. It's finished. Now we're going to leave it in the cake tin for 15 minutes, let it cool down, and I'll take it out and I'll put it on a rack so it can fully cool. Guys, this is the end result of the chocolate cake. As you can see, it is very light, fluffy, very moist. I have put a little bit of icing on the top. You can also put some icing on the top if you like. I hope you will give this a try because it is very delicious. Also, we would like to thank everyone that has subscribed to the channel and have left comments underneath. Thank you guys very much. Enjoy. Until the next video, love and blessings.